I love CAD, and I especially love SolidWorks, but the 3D Experience platform just opened up a world of possibilities far beyond just CAD. I use the collaboration tool 3D Swim all the time. 3D Swim is set up like a web feed, containing all the communities that you're a part of. And in these communities, all the invited participants can post questions, comments, surveys, tasks, ideas, and much more. My favorite feature of this tool is the idea funnel. The idea funnel is made for brainstorming. You can add ideas in a Swim community and then move ideas along through different phases of your ideation process. You can customize the phases in your idea funnel to best organize your ideas. And then you can see and manage all of them in one amazing graphical representation of the funnel. From this view, we can jump into any idea in the spectrum, and this is an awesome place to accommodate team discussions about the ideation process. My colleague John and I give live demos to thousands of people every week to show off some of the CAD tools on the 3D Experience platform. And we like to create all of our own content, and we love trying to incorporate really cool looking models. This requires a ton of idea generation and management, and quick turnaround to actually give these demos. So we use the idea funnel to host all of our ongoing ideas for demos. For example, I've been considering making a demo using a golf club as the data set. So I can post my idea to the community, and then once I start building the data set, I can adjust the phase of this idea to let John know that I'm working on this right now. When I'm done creating the data set and I'm just practicing giving it, I can change the phase accordingly. And when the time comes, I can go to my idea funnel and see what my options are for demos that are ready to go. I use this tool for many parts of my job, more than just these demos. And I really believe that anyone could benefit from this tool. If brainstorming is any part of your daily job, you'll see the immediate value in using this tool. So why not try it out?